Hello viewers, welcome to K Diagnostics. Dio here. We are sitting inside a 2011 Honda Pilot, and this video I'm going to show you how to erase the service soon light. This light comes on when the vehicle is due for an oil change. I already done the oil change on this vehicle, so now I'm going to show you how to erase the light. The first thing you do is you turn the key on, and I'm going to show you the light I'm talking about in case you're wondering what light it is. I'm going to start the engine first so I can show you that light. Do you see this little light over here? There is a wrench that remains on the dash. Okay, right there. And then on this display there's a message that says service, and we have about minus 1200 miles that's flashing. Okay, so the way you erase this is you turn the engine off, you turn the key on. Okay, after doing your oil change, you have to make sure that the message over here is displayed. You see how it says service? So there is a button over here on the dash that we're gonna have to press. We have to press and hold this button, and we're gonna do that while our service message is displayed on the dash. So I'm gonna press and hold this button, and eventually the service message is gonna start blinking also. We're gonna let off, and then we're gonna press and hold again. So you're gonna let off for about 5 seconds, and then you're gonna press and hold. So right there, as you can see, our engine oil life has been reset up to 100%. And then you will notice that the wrench that was over here has disappeared. Okay, so that's it. This is how you reset your oil life light on a Honda Pilot. Okay, so now let's start the engine. So the engine is running. Now we don't have any lights on the dash. Okay, so we're good. So that's it. I hope you liked the video. I'm gonna turn off the engine. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like the video, give it a thumb down. But if you do, you gotta tell me why, so we can make better videos in the future. If this is your first time here, subscribe to the channel. Ring the bell so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. If you have any comments, questions, criticism, leave them in the comment box. If this is your first time here, subscribe, ring the bell. Okay, thanks for watching. See you next time. So the button, in case it was too dark, the button I was pressing is this button over here on the instrument cluster. Okay, thanks for watching, guys.